Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the battery and fan in your HP 14BK laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, you will see the battery and fan clearly. Next, let's focus on the battery. Disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard by gently pulling it away. Now, remove the screws holding the battery in place. Lift the battery out carefully. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Now let's move on to the fan. Locate the fan assembly and disconnect its power connector from the motherboard. Remove the screws securing the fan in place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the fan out of its compartment. Before installing the new components, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fan and heatsink area. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider our pickup and delivery at your home, which makes repairs hassle-free. Now let's install the new fan. Place the new fan into the compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the fan's power connector to the motherboard. Next, take the new battery and position it in the battery compartment. Secure it with the screws and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Once both the battery and fan are installed, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently to snap it back into place. Replace the screws to secure the back cover. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair so you know what to expect. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the battery and fan in your HP 14BK laptop. Enjoy your refreshed device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.